In our last video, we learned what the standard equation of a circle was, that it is x minus h all squared plus y minus k all squared equals r squared, where h comma k is the center and r is the radius. So x minus h all squared plus y minus k all squared equals r squared. H comma k being the center, r being the radius. So in this first pair of problems, we're asked to write down the equation of the circle being described. So I just plug the center in where it goes as h and k, and then that's the value of r. So here I have x minus h, but it's minus a minus 1, so x plus 1 all squared plus y minus 2 all squared equals 5 squared is 25. There's the equation of the circle centered at minus 1 comma 2 with a radius of 5. Centered at 0, 0, so I have x minus 0 all squared plus y minus 0 all squared equals 64, but I realize that simplifies to this. Right? I don't really need to write down those minus zeros in there. So I have x squared plus y squared equals 64. In this next pair of problems, we're asked to go the other direction, to take an equation and write down the center or radius. We've also been asked to graph those circles, so we're going to do that now. To start off here, the center of this circle at 3 comma, and that should be a minus minus 4 there, so that must be 3 comma minus 4, remembering that k always follows a minus sign. So in my head, for that second part, I need to think of that as a y minus a minus 4. All right, the radius, which I'll call r, is, well, that's r squared is 16, so the radius must be 4. All right, let's sketch this circle. So I found the center of the circle at 3 minus 4. Add in some tick marks here so I can graph the circle. What I like to do is, I'm going to go up 4, down 4, because that's radius, left 4, right 4, and then draw the best circle that I can. Right, just counting over and up, over and over, up and down the radius. And then try to draw the best circle that I can, which, well, it's not going to be great, but it'll get the job done there. It's a circle if we say it is. All right, and just one more to consider here. The center, again, I see that plus 8. That must be a minus 8, right? X minus a minus 8 to give me that x minus h. And then here, I just see y squared, like I just saw y squared up here, so I think that's really a y minus 0. That must be a 0, so minus 8 comma 0. And then r squared is equal to 5, right? That side of the equation, always r squared, so r must be the square root of 5. So my radius, r equals root 5, and I happen to know the square root of 5 is about 2.2. That'll be enough information for me to graph my circle. All right. All right, so let's see, that center is at minus 8 comma 0, so here on the x-axis, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I need to go up and down about 2.2, so let's see, about there, 1, 2.2, 1, 2.2. Not a great circle here, it looks really stretched. I picked a bad scale. Pretend that that's a circle. It's a circle if we say it is. Well, we've used the standard equation of the circle to work these 4 problems, and that's it for now.